Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cash a check in Monzo. Very easy process. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the app, come here at the top, click on add money, and then what I want you to do is just come here. You'll see deposits. The first option you'll see is right here, check deposit. And you can do this in app up to £500. And if it is more than £500, you'll need to send it by post. If it's less than £500, that's perfect. Click here on yes, pay now. Make sure you adhere to these guidelines right here, and you'll actually see your money in your account in 3 business days. Once you're done with this, just click on get started, and then come here, click on start camera, and then you start taking the photos of your check, both front and back, and then you can submit it and enter the amount as in the check, and you'll receive your money. Leave that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix, and I'll see you in the next one.